Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial, a delay to smooth video edit on CapCut. So here what you need to do is import a clip to CapCut and then split the clip on the part you want the transition to smooth. Okay, let's say in here I'm going to split, and then after that go to video effects, find retro, then select the doodle diary effect, this one. Click on a check icon and then adjust the effects to apply only to the first clip, the one that you just split, and then adjust the effect, the texture to 0, stickers and also filter to 0, and then for the speed you can adjust it into your liking. Okay, I'm going to go by 60 and then click on a check icon and then click on the first clip, then go to adjust. Okay, adjust and then set the saturation into -50. Click on the check icon and then it'll go like this, and then after that put a keyframe near the end of the clip. Okay, in here, I'm going to, and then go to the end of the clips and set the opacity of the video into 50. Okay, so it'll go like this. Then after that click on a second clip and then go to speed, select curve and choose the flash in speed. Then after that click on a check icon and now you get the delay to smooth video edit. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the following videos. Thank you.